Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this video is going to focus on measurement, and specifically it's going to focus on converting yards to feet. Now we know that 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. So I'm going to do 5 different example problems, and I'm going to go through step by step how to convert different amounts of feet to yards. So we know that 1 yard equals 3 feet. So when you're given the amount of feet to figure out how many yards there are, you have to divide by 3. So we see that there's 12 feet here. To figure out how many yards 12 feet is, we have to do 12 divided by 3. 3, 6, 9, 12. So we're able to get 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 3 within 12. So 12 feet is equal to 4 yards. All right, moving on to example 2. Moving on to example number 2. Just looking to grab my eraser here. What happened to my eraser? I think my eraser disappeared on me. I can't find my eraser, so I'm going to improvise here. All right, next example. So again, in this video, you're going to be given a different number of feet, and I'm going to be modeling how to convert that amount of feet to yards. Example number 2 now is underway. So let's say we have 24 feet. We want to know what that would equal in yards. So we know that 1 yard equals 3 feet. So to figure out how many yards 24 feet would be, we would need to divide by 3. So 24 divided by 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. So I was able to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 groups of 3 within 24. 24 divided by 3 equals 8. So 24 feet is equal to 8 yards. All right, moving on to example number 3. At some point my eraser probably will reappear, but until then I am just going to improvise. Have to use something else to erase. All right, 45 feet. We want to convert the 45 feet to yards. So again, the rule for converting feet to yards is divide by 3. Very simple. So now we got to do 45 divided by 3. So 45 divided by 3. Again, I know the answer in my head, but if you aren't able to do it in your head, I would count by 3, see how many groups of 3. You know what? I'll do it out. All right. So 3 goes into 4 one time. 4 minus 3 equals 1. Bring down the 5. 3 goes into 15 5 times. 15 minus 15 is 0, so there's no remainders. So 45 divided by 3 equals 15. So 45 feet equals 15 yards. All right, next example. So the rule for all of these is the same. The rule for converting feet to yards is divide by 3. Now in my previous video where we converted yards to feet, the rule was to multiply by 3. So to convert yards to feet, you multiply by 3. To convert feet to yards, we divide by 3. So next, again, this video is on converting feet to yards. $123 feet, we got to convert that to yards. So we are going to do 123 divided by 3. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit the like button. It really helps the algorithm. Turn on the light here. All right. So we're going to start out 12. We'll start out with 12 divided by 3. This goes back to my long division videos. As I've said before, the 4 basic operations: multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Those are the fundamentals that everything else is built off of. 3, 6, 9, 12. So 12 goes into 3 4 times. 12 minus 12 equals 0. Bring down the 3. Three divided by 3 equals 1. 3 minus 3 equals 0. And we have our final answer. 123 divided by 3 equals 41. 123 feet converted to yards would be 41 yards. All right, that is my video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. And if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri signing off.